Next, what is the animal on the insignia of the RBI? Every year, 1 to 2 questions are definitely asked from the RBI, and it is very important in your mains paper also, GS paper 2. Okay, so please have a research on RBI. In this paper also you can see 2 or more than 2 questions are asked from RBI. Option A, lion, tiger, panther, elephant. The correct answer is tiger. Next question. SEZ, that is Special Economic Zones, have been created for the first time in the dash. Option A, Exim Policy 2000. Option B, Exim Policy 2005. Option C, Industrial Policy 1956 and Industrial Policy 1991. So Special Economic Zone SEZ have been created for the first time in Exim Policy 2000 under the Ministry of Commerce and Industries. The Special Economic Zones have been created. The first was Kandla in Gujarat, and similarly there are some other 7 to 8 SEZs in India also. As you know, these areas there are various benefits for the industries, for example in taxation, in other facilities to the industries, everything. Okay, real estate, in everything the SEZ are given uh, various amount of advantages. So what is the purpose of setting up SEZ? To boost the export. Okay, to boost the export, यानी प्रोडक्शन को बढ़ेगा और एक्सपोर्ट को बूस्ट करेगा. Next, question number 69. Hydrocarbon Vision 2025 is associated with dash. Option A, storage of petroleum product. Option B, Euro 1 and Euro 2. Option C, the greenhouse effect. Option D, none of the above. So Hydrocarbon Vision 2025, it is for option A, storage of petroleum product. Now let me tell you what is this actually. So Hydrocarbon Vision 2025 aims at setting up more storage facilities in India and reducing the India's dependence on other countries for the carbon and for the fuel. So in many ways we can say trade, balance of trade, forex reserve, Atmanirbharta, in many ways this is aimed at developing India. So first ambition is energy security by self-reliance. Self-reliance means to save these things, to save the fuel in India or develop the renewable energy. Second, indigenous production. Third, invest in the oil equity. Fourth, develop globally competitive hydrocarbon sector. So these are the aims and objective of the hydrocarbon vision. Then free market, then oil security. So these are all. Okay, next. Question number 70, it is asking what is greenfield investment? So this is a question directly from the budget 2020. What is greenfield investment? Option A, a form of foreign direct investment, yani ki FDI, where a parent company starts a new venture in a foreign country by constructing new operational facilities. Option B, a form of FDI where a company purchases or leases existing production facilities to launch a new production activity. So existing facility ru develop करेगा. Third, investment in by non-residents Indian. So NRI द्वारा इंडिया भीतर investment को कहा जाए. Option D, investment in the share and debt. So the correct answer is option A. Greenfield investment काको कहा जाए. देखो तो दुईटा टाइप रहता है. गोटे होची greenfield, गोटे होची brownfield. So developing something from the scratch, एकदम scratch रो, यानी कि land नबा, फिर ताको इनोवेट करवा, फिर से बिल्डिंग एकदम स्क्रैच रो लगेगा, ईटा पत्थर सब एकदम स्टार्टिंग रो लगेगा एंड ऑल दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ग्रीनफील्ड. सो वेयर द पेरेंट कंपनी और अ न्यू वेंचर इन अ फॉरेन कंट्री is constructing new operational facilities. But what is brownfield? Brownfield means already building सेठी अच्छे ता उपरे किसी डेवलपमेंट करवा, किसी नुआ सेठी कंपनी लगेगा, ऑलरेडी लैंड उपरे इनोवेशन, the basic construction है सारची, बिल्डिंग वगैरह बनी सारची, फैसिलिटीज अच्छी, वी आर जस्ट सेटिंग अप अ न्यू कंपनी, ताको कहती ब्राउन फील्ड, यानी कि आधा कंप्लीट रो फिर आपको बढ़ेगा. सो ऑप्शन बी is brown field, but it is asking green field. Option A is correct. Next, which of the following is not related to the empowerment of women? The correct answer, the options are gender development index, Gender empowerment measure, option C. Gender budgeting, option D. Gender discrimination. So not related to empowerment of women, so just it is your vocal, what you say, just it is your vocabulary and literary sense, right? It is just asking, nothing else. So gender discrimination, this is not women empowerment. Okay, baki tinta women empowerment. Next question it is asking, who coined the term biodiversity? The options are E. O. Wilson, 1988. Option B, R. D. Barnes. Option C, Norman Myers, Norman Myers. And option D, none of the above. So who coined the term biodiversity? So the correct answer is E. O. Wilson. He coined it in 1988. Further, in 1988, Norman Myers gave the concept of biodiversity hotspot. So biodiversity and biodiversity hotspot are two different things. If you are thinking what is the difference, biodiversity means in a place we have different kind of animals, we have lakhs of species, we have millions of animals and plant species, that is called as biodiversity, a diversity in the biology. But if you talk about biodiversity hotspot, so what is this? For example, consider any area where maximum amount of biodiversity will be there and it will be very threatened. What is the meaning of threatened? Lagbhag 75% of the species are already gone from there. So it requires immediate attention, and by immediate attention we can basically save all these species from being extinct. For example, you can see the Madagascar Islands. Madagascar Island, they have a huge biodiversity of the entire world. Okay. Similarly, you can say another biodiversity hotspot is the Western Ghats of India, Madagascar, okay, the Himalayas. Now let's move to the next question. It is asking, the Montreux record is a register of dash. Option A, invasive alien species and their ecological hazard outside the native environment. Option B, wetland site under the threat of anthropogenic activities. Option C, endangered species of tropical and subtropical fauna. Option D, coastal cities under the direct threat of consequences of global warming. So the correct answer is option B, wetland sites under threat of anthropogenic activities. What is anthropogenic? Human generated activities is called as anthropo, yani ki human genic, generated by human. So what is Montreux record? As you know, in Iran there is a city called as Ramsar, and the Ramsar convention जोटा कि 1971 रे स्टार्ट हुई थी. इन रामसार कन्वेंशन पूरा वर्ल्ड रे जो भी वेटलैंड्स अच्छे से वेटलैंड्स रो कंजर्वेशन ପାଇଁ କିଛି टास्क करा जाए एंड जदि से वेटलैंड रो सिचुएशन जो अछि तार इकोलॉजिकल हेल्थ इज डैमेज्ड देन ताकू गोटे हॉस्पिटल परिका स्ट्रक्चर रे रखा जाए. हॉस्पिटल माने ताकू गोटे रेकॉर्ड रे रखा जाए, मॉन्ट्रियक्स रेकॉर्ड, सो दैट एबे ता ऊपर फिर आहुरी ध्यान दिया जिवो तार रेस्टोरेशन ପାଇଁ डेवलपमेंट ପାଇଁ. आ जल्दी से पुणी ठीक होगला तो आउ हॉस्पिटल रे रखिबेन ताकू रिमूव कर देबे. ओके, सो देन ताकू मॉन्ट्रियक्स रेकॉर्ड रो काट दिया जाए. एज यू नो इन ओडिशा चिलिका लेक फर्स्ट रामसार साइट याकू भी गोटे टाइम रे मॉन्ट्रियक्स रेकॉर्ड रखा जाइतला, बट देन जेमती ही चिलिका ठीक गला तो मॉन्ट्रियक्स रेकॉर्ड रो याकू काट दिया गला. राइट नाउ मॉन्ट्रियक्स रेकॉर्ड रे किछि अछि कि सो राजस्थान रो केवलादियो नेशनल पार्क जो अछि दैट वन. सिमिलरली मणिपुर रो लोकतक लेक जोटी आपण देखि पारबे डांसिंग डियर्स, फ्लोटिंग नेशनल पार्क, केबुल लामजाओ. हाँ, so these two are there in the Montreux record right now. Okay. Next, which of the following is the most important greenhouse gas in the Earth's atmosphere? The options are nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, water vapor, sulfur dioxide. So the correct answer is option C, water vapor. So water vapor is the most potent gas, most potent greenhouse gas. Because it leads to a lot of warming, okay, a lot of warming. So it causes a lot of hidden effect on greenhouse gas. Okay. Next, which of the following species on Earth is known as living fossil, surviving for more than 150 billion years? So the options are olive ridley turtle, loggerhead, crane, Canaps ridley. This question is incorrect. Okay. Next, India was awarded the CITES for its effort to combat illegal wildlife trade during 2017 for which of the following operation? तो साइट्स द्वारा इंडिया को अवार्ड मिले को जिन ऑप्शन ऑपरेशन थंडरबर्ड सॉरी ऑप्शन बी ऑपरेशन सेव कुर्मा option C operation save a life and option D operation save tigers. So the correct answer is option B operation save kurma. It was for the turtles.